Top 5 Sunnahs to do on Friday. 5. Perform Ghusl, full ritual bath. The Prophet ﷺ encouraged taking a full bath before Jumu'ah to appear clean and fresh for the congregation. 4. Wear clean clothes and apply fragrance. Dressing neatly and using perfume for men is Sunnah, showing respect for the blessed day. 3. Recite Surah Al-Kahf. Reading Surah Al-Kahf on Friday brings a light that shines until the next Friday. 2. Send abundant salawat on the Prophet. Friday is the best day to increase sending blessings upon him as they are presented to him. 1. Go early to the masjid for Jumu'ah. Arriving early brings immense rewards, like offering the best charity to Allah. Let's make the most of this blessed day by reviving the Sunnah. You're watching Just 5 Islam. See you in the next countdown, inshallah.